Guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own color palette on CapCut PC. So go to effects, select mosaic, and add the effect to it and blur it until it's like 100%. Then you are just going to mask it, select rectangle, and create like a square. I'm just going to create one that's smaller than the square here. Copy and paste it, slide it down, and find another color. And then here I'm just going to find a different color. I'll just do 3, but you can do more. Go to text and add in your default text here. Select the color picker, select that, and copy and paste it to the text here. Make sure it's all caps lock just so it's neater, and add in like a hashtag for the color code. You can also change the font if you'd like to. I'll just go with this one, I don't know. Copy and paste it, and then do the same thing here. Copy and paste it, and then do that again on the last one here. And I'm also just going to color them like with one color, like the text, so you can actually see it. And that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!